Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the supercharged ASUS RGB laptop cooling pad. Right on the outside, we've got some of the key features proudly highlighted. Crack it open and inside you'll find everything neatly packed. You get a detachable phone holder, a baggie with two extra dust filters for the fan, a detailed user manual, a USB to USB powered cable, and of course, the cooling pad itself. Right out the box, the pad feels solid and well built. There is a magnetic foam ring on the top that helps seal airflow when the laptop is placed on it, and RGB lighting wrapped all the way around for that full gamer aesthetic. And flipping it over to the bottom, you'll see the adjustable stand with multiple ergonomic angles to suit your setup, whether you're working, gaming, or chilling on the couch. Now, while we're down there, check this out. You can pop off the fan cover, remove the dust filter, and give it a quick clean whenever needed. Super thoughtful design. And that crisscross star pattern on the cover, it's not just for looks. It helps optimize airflow and keeps that fan spinning efficiently. Let's flip it back over and take a closer look at the fan itself. There's also an adjustable brace bar that raises up and down. This keeps your laptop from sliding off when it's tilted at an angle. That's smart and secure. Alright, now let's power it up. Just plug the USB cable into the laptop and boom, lights on. Take a quick 360 spin with me and you can see that gorgeous RGB glow wrapped all the way around the edges. It's subtle in daylight but absolutely pops in low light. Down at the front, there is a sleek LED control panel with two capacitive buttons. Hold down the power icon to turn it on or off, and tap the light icon to cycle through the RGB presets. Now, let's talk about that 140mm center fan. You can adjust its speed from 300 to 2200 RPMs using the smooth scroll wheel right on the panel. It feels premium and super intuitive. And we can't forget the phone holder. Just snap it into either side groove and you're good to go. It supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Let's put this beast to the test. I launched Fortnite and left it idle for a couple minutes. Without the fan on, the CPU hit around 88 degrees Celsius and the GPU sat at 72 degrees Celsius. Then, I cranked that fan up to 2200 RPMs. That's the highest that it goes. And after a short while, boom! The CPU dropped to 74 degrees Celsius and the GPU to about 60 degrees Celsius. That is a stunning 10 to 15 degree drop in temps just from airflow alone. If you are looking for a high performance laptop cooler with real results, from cooling power to style and function, it's got it all. So, keep cool, game hard, and stay lit. Thanks for watching.